friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Chiliz. Especially in this video I'm talking about the Chiliz very important update. Keep watch this video till the end friends, and in this video I'm also telling about the price of the Chiliz, the prices occur in the Chiliz, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day and the last 1 week price change occur in the Chiliz. So keep watch this video for more this kind of news and updates. Click the subscribe button, like this video, and friends, let's start the video friends. Let's move on my friends. Anyways, let's now the current price of the Chiliz is 0.463012 USD dollar is the current price of the Chiliz. And friends, if we talk about the price change occur in the Chiliz, so the last 1 hour price change is positive and the last 1 day price change is also positive. Only the last 1 week price change occur in the Chiliz is negative friends. Absolutely, that's a really good news for all Chiliz holders, that the Chiliz starting jumping from the previous last 1 day. I mean from the yesterday the Chiliz start jumping. I'm very happy today to see the jump of the Chiliz. Let's check it out, the price chart of the Chiliz. What's going in this time in the Chiliz? Wow, that is the last 1 month price change. That is why they look like a small, as you can see here. That is why they look like a small. If you look currently situation, the last day result of the Chiliz, absolutely you can see here. Now at this time the Chiliz is taking a jump, and that is the one jump, and that is the now currently situation. As you can see here, that the last 1 hour, the last 1 day pricing as positive. That is why, because now this time they take a jump friends, and the previous time they also taken a jump. That is why the last 1 day pricing is positive friends. But that is the last 1 month pricing. That is why price chart, that is why the changes occur in the last 1 month is negative 17.84%, because as you know already that the previous time of the Chiliz is gone wrong and the price is falls down friends in the Chiliz friends in the previous time only. But now the current situation of the Chiliz is goes better, and now I think that the Chiliz give you good amount of profit in the last of this month friends. And my personally recommendation, my personally suggestion for all of my viewers, that it's time to hold Chiliz token friends, not to sell. Don't sell it a Chiliz token in this time friends, and my suggestion to hold Chiliz token friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Once again I'm telling you, please subscribe.